Okay, good morning, January 14th, Wednesday. We've got a few things active this morning. SPYs are down 0.4, keys 0.6. I think mostly led by a little bit of the pre-market earnings releases of the large banks, Citigroup, Bank of America. So far from yesterday and today, all the banks are pretty much getting sold regardless of the reports. Also macro today, we had PPI 830, slightly hot, market down a little bit. It was a little bit more mixed earlier. Now things are slightly down. And then we are getting some speculation today that the tariffs may be, the Supreme Court announcement may be available about the tariffs. I think widely expected that things will be rolled back, in which case maybe we get a short-term small reaction. Again, widely expected, so I wouldn't anticipate too much there, but certainly if they don't roll back tariffs, could be some volatility, risk off type price action. So just key on the squawk today and see if we get any indication on whether they are going to announce. There's no date attached to it. This is just speculation. Again, it started on Friday. It was kind of the date they said we would hear that the soonest. It could be at any point. Now they're talking about today. So we'll see. Individual names. We got ROLR. This is a low float. Of about 3 million. They did have some crypto relationship news. I tend to not care too much about the news on these things. It's always just price action. Crypto.com partnership, and they're in the prediction market. So this could be quite an outlier. I'm going to be keyed in on this pretty well today. Looks like day one front side, so I'm usually long on these. Shares will probably be hard to borrow, probably expensive, but I will get some just in case we go crazy and do something stupid. But I'd like to see how this opens. Usually first couple of minutes I'll give it time to kind of screw everybody first and then see where the level's set up. But this could be in play all day, and other than that, like I don't have alerts or price actions as much as just alerts or price levels as much as I do want to just watch the price action. Okay, silver gapping up 6%. So this is where on the silver chart, this is where I'm pretty close to being aggressive. I haven't done anything yet. Pleased with that, and I was thinking if silver gets to 85, that'd be a point where I get involved. I don't trade metals that much, and for that reason, I'm a little cautious getting into how it trades. And if I do, I'm going to go AGQ. As I say that, going double leveraged AGQ above 260. I'm going to start shorting pops real quick. Really getting juicy up here as we go parabolic on the daily and into 85. I thought would be a good level for high probability pullback. Along those lines, Bitcoin breaking out above 95, and Mr. kind of been really beaten down with it. Decent close yesterday and a gap up today. I would buy some pullbacks on this for day two, not with any great size or conviction. I'd maybe gives this a 7 out of 10. Certainly can also look at IBIT if you want to go more direct, and I think that might be actually a good consideration. Just MSTR sentiment has really shifted lately, so I think it does have some upside on the daily. But everything's just getting sold on this one for quite a few months. SNDK, I still have short, and I did a video on this yesterday. If you want to check that out, on a bigger picture swing idea about building up a core, recycling shares, using options to hedge if you need to. We've really held this level for a couple days now, around 390, under 390, and I got a 385 price average. Yesterday I was shorting pops and taking some off. I'm looking for the 380 break, and if we can get some acceleration down to 360, I think that's a feasible target for a swing trade. Cash flowed quite a bit on it, did that well for the past couple of days, so I kind of have a free trade here, and I like to let it work. If it goes above 395 or makes new highs, I might buy some 405 calls. Again, more detailed video on that you can check out. Tesla, no more FSD. You can't buy FSD like outright when you purchase the vehicle. So only subscription based. I don't know what that does to their revenue. I'm not a Tesla analyst, but gapping down with the market. Sentiment has been a little weak, although we got this bounce here, so maybe we get a little pullback. Tesla's always in play for me, and we'll scalp some ranges here. Probably be looking at 447 as a short to pop, and if we get down below 440, I would be interested in buying that. And TCOM, I don't know if there's anything actionable here, but they had a antitrust probe from China regulators, down 16%. Maybe you get a pop to short, but being down so much, I don't really want to chase this. Was coming off highs on the daily, so definitely has room, but kind of going into support here into 61.60. So again, we'll just keep an eye on that, keep it on the back burner. But main watches today will be the ROLR and double leveraged silver. If you'd like to trade with us, join us in the Discord chat room. We'll go over this stuff live. Good luck.